All right, today's video is going to be on writing and evaluating expressions. So the first thing that we're going to look at is we're going to look at this first one, the first attempt, so right here. And we're going to look at the line here, and if you notice, I have x, 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 and 5. So we're just going to write that as an expression. So because I have the x's there, the easiest way I could write it is x plus x plus x plus 5. Okay, so that's one way to write it. And an expression, remember, does not have an equal sign. The other way to write it, which is probably just the easiest, is if I count my x's 1, 2, and 3. So I have 3x and I add 5. Okay, so now why don't you pause the video and see if you can get the second attempt. All right, when I do the second attempt, I have x and x, so that's going to give me 2x and then plus 6. Okay, let's take a look at this third problem. Okay, again, I would recommend pausing the video and seeing if you can get the correct answer once it's all done. So one way to do this, the easiest way, would be 4 plus x plus 2. The second way that I could do this is I could take my 4 and my 2 and combine them because those are both the same. So I could really have 6 plus x, or I could have x plus 6. Either one is going to be okay. And it's going to equal the exact same thing. Okay? All right, so now, moving on, if I have something like this, 4x plus 1, but it tells me x is equal to 5. So now I'm going to substitute in the x, 4 groups of 5 plus 1. 4 groups of 5 is really multiplication. Order of operations is what I'm going to do first. So 4 times 5 is 20. 20 plus 1 would give me 21. So that is just simplifying the expression. Let's do